Okay, let's talk about category, type, and element. That it's very important to understanding Revit. If you go into the architecture tab, as you can see, we have a wall, door, window, component, column, roof. These are category. For example, wall. As you can see, this is wall category, door category. In a wall category here, as you can see, we have a different type of the wall. So the first hierarchy is category, and the second hierarchy is type. For example, we have 4, 3 here. As you can see, we have a. If you, for example, go here and select a wall, as you can see, we are in a wall category, but here in its properties, we have different type of the wall. It's very important, okay? Different type of the wall. And if you select something, for example, this wall here, or this, yeah, it's a wall, yeah, this wall here. This is not wall number 1, okay? And it is these properties is just for this wall. And when select this wall in the scene, this is element. The smaller thing in a scene is element. This is element, a specific type of the wall category. It's very easy. So if you, these properties is just specific for this element, anything that you selected here, for example, this properties is just for that. If you select, for example, this wall, these properties is just wall for this wall. And this wall belongs to a specific, a special, or yeah, a special type of the wall. If you use this type of the wall, you can use this type of a wall anywhere in the project. If you edit type, change the type properties of all walls that you insert in your scene. If you change these properties here, edit wall, any wall that you insert in your scene will be changed. Careful about that. But if you change the properties of here, just you change the properties of this specific special wall here, just this wall. And it is for all of this. This is a door category, window category, and so on. Okay, so this is the basic properties of that. And for this, for example, you select this roof, select this wall, anything. This is a roof category, okay? Here I want to explain it here. If you deselect everything, and let's here is the glasses tube, the temporary hide and isolate, everything's off because you have to select something. This is an element, the smallest thing that you select in a scene. If you select it, and as you can see, we have the different things that we explained: category, elements. Now you understand the difference between. Okay, it means, okay, for example, this wall. You want to isolate it, category, or hidden it. Isolate. First, isolate. As you can see, why all of this maintained? Because I selected as isolate category. So any wall in a scene that related to this, because this thing that I selected, this element that I selected is a wall. And I tell isolate walls because this isn't in the wall category. Okay? Any wall in a scene will be isolated and anything else disappear. And here you can this and as you can see, the border of software changes the sign color and tell temporary. It's temporary. You can reset it and everything back. So it's very important you understanding that. But if you want to just isolate it, this, you have to isolate it element. You can see just isolated. And it's a temporary, you can reset it if you want. For better seeing that, I prefer to change it to constant color. And for example, this is a tree category if you want. And another thing is hiding. For example, if you select this wall or this wall here, you can just hide all the category of the wall or just this element. And if you select it, as you can see, so hiding, and the window will be say you, hey, something isn't hiding. Don't forget that. You can reset it. Nice. Just this isn't temporary. But another hiding and isolating is permanently. It's in permanently. If you select it, for example, this roof, and as you can see, the modify of that. If you select anything in a software, I explained it later. We have a lots of sitting here and in a modify. These tools in a from here to the here is almost common tool in a modify in any object, any command, and some other tool that we add from this line to this part will be just for that tool, that command, that element. These commands are specific, special for that command. I will explain it. Don't worry. Just I want to explain the important thing in software category, element, and unfortunately, I don't understand why a hide and isolate type. Why it's not here? I don't know, but it's there. So if you go into the modify, we have a lamp here that you can hide it permanently. For example, hide this element and it's gone. And as you can see, we have nothing in here, no border here. And if your friend come to your project, it says you, hey, where's the roof? So for understanding what happened in your scene, you have to do that. You have to go here and reveal hidden element. If you activate it, it tells you the hidden things that you don't know in your scene, and you can reveal them. This gray, everything, this as you can see, they are gray. It means they are okay. They are okay. But let's turn it off, and also hidden this element temporarily. Hidden element temporarily. If you turn the reveal, it tends to red, and yeah, it tells you we have a hidden permanently hidden element and temporary hidden element. So the red parts, the red, as you can see, we hidden in a modify this roof, and it's the red. It means, oh, that is hide, the temporary hide. Sorry, permanently hide, and it's red. But in a cyan color, light blue color, you can see these are temporary hide. So you can reveal them as you want. Select it, and here, oh, sorry, you can select it and tell it here. Sorry, for unhiding that, you can here unhide. As you can see, it's add a reveal hidden element comment here. You can unhide it. And as you can see, turn gray. It means, okay, it's reveal and back to your scene. And for this temporary, it's very easy. You can here and reset temporary. And as you can see, yeah, if you want to close your project, no, we don't want to save it now. And as you can see, everything except of these folders are gray, and it means everything is correct, and we have no elements accidentally hidden, temporary or permanently. So you can go in here and close reveal hidden element. Click it, and as you can see, our roof is come back. So this lesson is important. You understand how to isolate, how to edit, how to hide the object and different category elements. What is the category? What is the element? That's it. If you want to continue these tutorials on YouTube, please subscribe us and then activate all. In this way, you will be notified about all of our new videos in future. And don't forget to join our channel. In this way, you will be help us to buy or subscribe to softwares or more softwares to record more tutorials for you and others. And don't forget to like all of our videos. And thank you for your supports.